This macro allows you to change the geometry of the sample size of a pattern piece on screen to another size within the same grading table. In this example, the sample size will be shifted to a bigger geometry. 38 is the sample size of the rule table assigned to this piece. However, the geometry of size 40 needs to replace the geometry for 38. Start the macro and select pieces on screen. Select the size, which should now be used as the new sample size 38. In this example, 40 needs to be selected. When comparing the original with the modified pattern piece, you can see that the assigned size remains 38, but the pattern's geometry was changed. It matches size 40 of the original pattern.